Hi, good morning from me, Andrew Merchant and agenceNEWTON Immobilier. Well, it's a glorious sunny day here in the Haute-Vienne today, and I'm up in the north of the Haute-Vienne at or close to a village called Boisier-Pottevin, and I'm visiting this absolutely stunning stone house, farmhouse, 4 bedrooms, and it actually comes with 4.6 hectares of attached land. The setting of this property is absolutely incredible. I absolutely love this. Ideal for anybody looking for a small holding or a small equestrian property. There's a couple of little outbuildings with it, but can you imagine yourself sat on this amazing terrace, sun-drenched, glass of wine, barbecue? What more do you want out of life in France? So, should we go and explore the inside? I'll flip you around and we'll do a quick tour on the inside. I'll see you there. So here we are, slightly different view of the terrace, the garden, and once again, the land. And listen, all you can hear in the background is birdsong. So let's go inside and have a tour inside. The property is just as incredible inside as it is on the outside. And one of my favourite things about these type of houses is the front to back doors. So you've got this hallway, front door coming in, going throughout the way through the hallway, leading out onto the terrace. And then we go into this lovely farmhouse kitchen with its log burner. And just look at this. This was a joy. You can tell the size of this kitchen dining room just by looking at the size of the dining room table. Everything has been thought about with this, and even if you were cooking and going to eat out on the terrace, there you go, you've got your own serving hatch right there. Going to the other side of the hallway, we have this incredible lounge, and I have to show you these. Look at this, these are the original oak floorboards in such good condition, and it's got a nice log burner there. Property also has full central heating, which is with a modern heat exchange unit, so it's economical. And then we'll go upstairs and we'll visit the 4 bedrooms. Same again, beautiful oak staircase. Up to a nice landing area, which can be used as a bit of a snug or an office area. Lots of original features still, and fabulous views outside the window onto the land. So here we have bedroom 1. And bedroom 2. Nice size family bathroom with a bath, and utilised also as a shower. Separate toilet, and then bedroom 3. This bedroom also comes with an ensuite, built-in wardrobes, and then along the corridor a bit more to final bedroom. And there we have the final bedroom. Same again, this bedroom, look where the bed's positioned and look at the view out of that window. Imagine waking up to that in the morning. That is absolutely amazing. So going back downstairs, we'll go back out the front door and I'll give you a quick tour around the front courtyard, which is also circles the house. And there we have also a garage work sheds. And from the front of the property, this property is really, really impressive. There we go, with its own driveway in and driveway out. So what a gorgeous property. So the property's on the market for €286,000. This includes agency fee. It's situated just a 3-minute drive from Haute-Vienne, with all the shops, vets, doctors, dentists, etc. So you're not that far away from there, probably around 40 minutes from the airport of Limoges. But look at this, you are in the heart of the countryside. So this could be you living in this in the summer. You could be out on that terrace drinking a glass of wine, having a barbecue. This property is absolutely stunning and it's a must to visit. So if you want more information, you know what to do. You can message me, you can email me, you can phone me, and we can arrange a visit for you today. I look forward to hearing from you, and I'm going to enjoy the rest of the day in this gorgeous sunshine, and I'll speak to you all soon. Have a great day. Bye bye.